This is how to fix NBA app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions, and for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So first is just simply go to the Google Play Store and tap on the search at the bottom and go for the search bar at the top and search for the app. Now from here, just simply tap on it, and when there is an update, you should be able to update it over here and just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And now just simply tap on the three dots at the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. Now, another solution, just simply go to the settings into your device. And after that, just simply scroll down and tap on the apps. And now from here, guys, just simply go ahead and go for the NBA application over here and tap on it. And after that, just simply go to storage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data and tap on OK. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. Now, after that, if it still doesn't work, just simply go to the Google Play Store and just simply uninstall the application and tap on uninstall. And after that, just simply reinstall it back again into your device. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If you still have issues with the app, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. See ya.